How to authorize FiveM on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to your main page, right click on Discord. Then go to Properties, which is at the bottom. In here, you will find Compatibility. Simply click on Compatibility and make sure there is no tick mark in Run this program as an administrator. After you have done that, simply click on Apply at the bottom and then press on OK. After that, simply open Discord. Go to User Settings located at bottom left. After you click on User Settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, click on Authorized Apps. As you can see, there is no authorized apps. So simply what you can do is open FiveM. After you have set up FiveM, it will directly launch to Discord and you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Authorize located at bottom right corner. After you have clicked on Authorize, you will find FiveM in this way in authorized apps. I have just added some screenshots because that is not available on my region, but it may be available on your region. This is how to authorize FiveM on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.